This is the second video that I'm starting without makeup, which is slightly terrifying, but people were nice, so I guess it's okay. Hello. I just had breakfast. I showered. Oh, I need water. I'm thirsty. Who cares? So yeah, this is my everyday streaming, recording makeup routine. I don't use foundation. I use concealer instead because, I don't know, I just don't like foundation that much. So I put it on my little red spots so my face can be the same color. Whoa, it's like magic. It doesn't even cover it that well, but it's whatever. Now I put a little bit on my forehead just to even it out. Just like that. People actually keep asking me for this video, which I'm always surprised by because I know that the majority of my viewers are men that play games and don't wear makeup, but you wanted it, so here you go. All right, now we're gonna do something a little crazy. So just prepare yourself for what you're about to see. I know it seems crazy, but I swear it's fine. It's all good. And now we're done. No, okay, now we blend it in. There we go. It just helps define your nose a little more. Now we use an actual concealer to actually conceal. Put it under my eye so people stop saying I look tired. I slept 8 hours last night, but I still look tired. There we go. I look pretty much the same from when I started. I actually look exactly the same, except my face is like one shade. Now we take a little powder and we're just gonna wanna... Can you imagine if I actually just snorted that? We just let her sit under the eyes and on the side of the nose. We just let them hang out. Do you think you could do this with that one powdery thing? Be sure not to get demonetized. It looks ridiculous, but it's fine. We're gonna wipe it off, okay? It just sits there for a minute, but it's fine. All right, so what we do for eyebrows is also simple. We just fill them in a little bit so they look a little nicer. We just want them to look better. They look like shit. This one's really wonky. I don't know what I'm doing with this one ever. We just hope that he looks sort of okay at the end of this. Yeah, that's all right. That's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. Okay. Now we're just gonna brush them out. Now the fun part. My favorite part. Eyes. All right, so I do put on a little bit of eyeshadow, but I try and just pick like a really matte tone. That's it. Eyeliner. I think this is the part that everyone wants to know. You know what I just realized? I think people only want me to do makeup videos so they can see me without makeup. I'm not sure, maybe not. This is it's CoverGirl. It's like this liquid thing. I can't do eyeliner without an actual thing like this, or I have to focus. See that? We got a weird ass line, but it's necessary, trust me. I went too far. Oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna need to fix that. I went too high. It looks weird. It's fine, I can fix it. All right, we're gonna do the other one and then we're gonna fix them so that they look better. Holy shit, that's horrible. That's so bad. Okay, now we have a little bit of a mental break, but then we figure it out. It's, you know, I hate it. I hate it. Okay. I can live with that. I can. Can I? We'll see. Jess, you can do it. Maybe. You know what? Sometimes you just need to accept it. I'm gonna accept it. And I'm gonna take this powder off from under my eye. I'm gonna do mascara. Okay, now for the fun part. It's not that fun. It's a little bronze. Oh, I don't think it actually shows up at all. I still do it. This just puts color back into your face so you're not like just completely one shade. And this is me trying to make my forehead look smaller. Did it work? All right, now I do a little blush. You have to smile like a psychopath when you do it. Okay, now my actual favorite part. Did I say the blush was my favorite part? This is my favorite part. This is highlighter, and this is where we go fucking ham. We take it, we put it on the little, oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's like, it's addicting. It really is. It's just like more. Put it a little bit on the bridge, put some in the inner corners. Ooh, we put a little on the arch of your brow. Holy shit. Look at this though. Oh my god. And now you put it on your cheekbones. Sorry, I like literally lose my mind over this. It's my favorite thing in the world. All right, last step to lock all of it in. I take a little brow gel just to hold my brows in place. All right, well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry my fellow bros that you have to just watch me put on makeup, or maybe you didn't watch, I don't know. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and comment down below what else you like to see, or how you thought of this video, or just whatever you want to say to me, and I'll reply. I will. And make sure you check out my Twitch channel where I stream all the time, and also my Instagram where I upload pictures. Only boring selfies though, so. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. I need a fun little thing to put at the end. I don't have anything. That's good enough, right?